Hey y'all, it's me. It's Linda from How to Eat for CKD. So I know this has been in other videos and I know I've posted this in the support group, but it's something I feel like I have to keep repeating over and over again. We get new members coming in all the time. And of course, they're at that beginning stage or they're stuck at that beginning stage. And we got to get them past that. Okay. Here's the thing. When we start out, or if we're stuck in that beginning phase with learning the kidney diet, the first thing that people do is they go to recipes, right? You're buying books, you're going online and searching, and this is fine. We did that too, okay? However, we quickly found out that those recipes didn't fit my husband's needs. Most of those recipes that are out there are mostly geared towards stage 3, right? Okay, well, even within stage 3, you have upper stage 3, they're closer to, stage 2. And then you've got lower stage 3, your A's and B's, and they're closer to stage 4. The nutrition for these two are not going to match. Okay, so that means that the recipes aren't going to work for both of them. And this is true for all the other stages. Okay, y'all are getting this book. You are all going on to these websites and you're looking for these recipes. You find them, but you guys, somebody in stage 2, like say upper stage 2, somebody in stage 4, say lower stage 4, whatever it is, any of these stages, wherever you're at, y'all are looking at the same recipe and you're using it. What happens, right? You guys, the nutrition's not going to fit for everybody. And that's what I call the recipe reliance trap. You guys get stuck relying on these recipes and you are not aware that you're actually still doing harm. And I so much want to move you guys out of that. Oh my gosh. The key with this diet is knowing, your specific nutritional window. And even with that window, you're leaving room for snacks because, snacks could easily put us over. So we have your window and we need to fit within that window, which means any of those recipes you find, you're going to have to tweak, right? You got to adapt them. They have to fit your needs. And I keep telling everybody about this all the time. But I know it happens that people haven't heard this yet. And so I'm just going to keep sitting here and telling you guys over and over again. So if you heard this, you don't have to listen. You haven't? Now you know. Okay? Don't get caught in the recipe reliance trap. It can be dangerous. I've had clients that have come to me and said, I was using these recipes. I thought I was eating well. I mean, it was kidney friendly recipes, but yet my GFR dropped, right? They went down a whole stage. They thought they were doing everything right. But no, because those recipes just don't fit everybody, right? And I know I've talked about this before that, if there's food dislikes or food allergens, those things have to be taken out of that recipe. You need to know what your best options are for replacing that ingredient and how much you can use of the replacement you're going to use, right? There's, all these little things that are involved with it, and you guys need to know it. And that's why I keep telling you guys, I want to show it to you. My program is there. The books are there. I'm trying to help you with this. So that is the big message I need people to remember is don't get caught in the recipe reliance trap. So if you're there and you want to get out, I can absolutely help you with that. Okay. You can head on over to my website, howtoeatforckd.com, or you can head over to Amazon and look for the How to Eat for CKD method, or look for Linda Blaylock. Okay. And find the books. There's 2. Book 1 is the basics, and that's going to lay a foundation of all the information you're ever going to need, right? And book 2, the core method, is going to show you how to use that information and how to work it so you can change those recipes to fit your specific needs. So you're not stuck in the recipe reliance trap. Okay, guys, I'm not just pushing books to sell here. That's not what I'm doing. I am doing this because I know how important this is, and I know how much people need it. And so I'm trying to do my best to say, hey, I've got the answers. They're here. Okay, use these answers. So that's what this is about, is getting the information out to you guys. So check it out. You need help, let me know. Let's get you out of that trap. Oh my God, your little footy must be hurting so bad being stuck in that little trap, right? Let's get you out.